Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. If you're in the market for an ice maker, you've come to the right place. We'll dive into the features, benefits, and drawbacks of each product to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for drinks and is often favored in restaurants and bars. In contrast, the Igloo Ice Maker produces traditional cylinder-shaped ice cubes, which are suitable for general use but may not provide the same texture and cooling efficiency as nugget ice. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience, especially if you enjoy beverages that benefit from chewable ice. When it comes to price, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is positioned at a premium price point of $249, reflecting its advanced features and high ice production capacity. On the other hand, the Igloo Ice Maker is much more budget-friendly at just $94. This significant price difference makes the Igloo a more accessible option for those who may not need the specialized features of the Silonn. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker has a larger footprint, making it less portable and potentially more challenging to fit into smaller spaces. In contrast, the Igloo Ice Maker is designed to be compact and portable, measuring just 7.3 inches wide, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even RVs. If space is a concern, the Igloo may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize chewable ice and high production capacity, the Silonn is the way to go. However, if you're looking for an affordable, compact solution for your ice needs, the Igloo is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.